Today I am reviewing THEYETI 15.6-inch 2-in-1 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful laptop that combines the best of gaming, productivity, and portability, the THEYETI 15.6-inch 2-in-1 gaming laptop is a standout choice in 2025. Designed for students, professionals, and casual gamers alike, this dark blue Yoga Convertible Laptop offers impressive specifications that make multitasking, gaming, and creative work an absolute breeze. Let's dive into the details and see why this laptop is creating a buzz. The first thing you'll notice about the THEYETI R1 is its stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display. With a 1920 by 1080 resolution, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles, the screen provides a rich and immersive visual experience. The touchscreen functionality adds another level of convenience, allowing you to drag windows, zoom into photos, or interact with apps using simple gestures. And thanks to its 360-degree folding design, you can effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it ideal for presentations, note-taking, or even casual gaming. Under the hood, the THEYETI R1 is powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i3-1215U processor, a 6-core, 8-thread CPU that can reach speeds of up to 4.4 GHz, coupled with 16 GB DDR4 RAM. This laptop handles multiple programs and browser tabs without slowing down. Whether you're running productivity apps, streaming media, or gaming, the performance remains smooth and consistent. The 1TB NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times, quick application launches, and ample storage for your files, games, and creative projects. One of the most impressive aspects of the THEYETI R1 is its low-noise, high-performance cooling system. Even when running demanding applications, the laptop stays cool and quiet thanks to its motorized fan system with adjustable speeds. This ensures not only a comfortable working environment, but also enhances the longevity of the internal components. With this cooling efficiency, you can enjoy long hours of use without worrying about overheating or performance throttling. Connectivity and versatility are also key strengths of the THEYETI laptop. It comes with a full-featured Type-C port, HDMI, USB 3.0, RJ45 Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.2, providing fast and reliable connections to external devices, monitors, and networks. Whether you need to connect a stylus, a secondary monitor, or other peripherals, this laptop has you covered. The inclusion of a backlit keyboard and support for stylus input further enhances your productivity and convenience, especially in low-light settings or creative work scenarios. Another notable feature is the laptop's build quality and portability. Weighing just under 4 pounds, it is easy to carry to school, the office, or even a coffee shop. Its durable construction ensures that the laptop can withstand daily use, while the sleek design makes it a stylish companion for work or play. Additionally, THEYETI offers reliable after-sales support, promising a solution within 24 hours for any operational issues, giving buyers extra peace of mind. Overall, the THEYETI 15.6-inch 2-in-1 gaming laptop is a powerhouse in its category. It combines strong performance, high-speed storage, a stunning touchscreen display, and versatile 360-degree design into a single device. For students, professionals, or casual gamers seeking a laptop that can handle both work and play effortlessly, the THEYETI R1 is an excellent investment. Its combination of power, portability, and versatility makes it a top contender for anyone looking to upgrade to a modern, high-performance laptop in 2025. Whether you are browsing, gaming, or working on creative projects, the THEYETI R1 2-in-1 laptop ensures a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable computing experience. From its FHD IPS touchscreen display to its fast Intel processor and massive 1TB SSD, this laptop is designed to handle today's demanding applications and tomorrow's needs. If you're looking for a laptop that blends style, functionality, and raw performance, the THEYETI R1 is definitely worth considering.